students. Today we will study the how to calculate speed. As you all know that speed is equal to distance travel per unit time. So speed is defined as distance travel per unit time. So if distance covered by an object is more in a short interval of time, it is said to be fast, and if distance covered by an object is less in an interval of time, it is said to be slow. So in order to predict a motion as slow or fast with accuracy, we use the concept of speed. So speed is defined as the distance travel per unit time in interval of time. Underline this line. So speed is written as distance travel divided time taken. So and also if we have to find the distance travel, we write speed into time taken. And also if we have to calculate the time taken, then will crisscross. So time taken is equal to distance travel speed. So in this way we calculate the speed, then the distance as well as the time taken. Now come to the unit. Depending on the unit chosen for distance travel and time taken, from equation 1 we can determine the unit of speed. Number 1, A. If the distance is measured in meter and time in second, then speed is written as distance in meter divided time in second. Therefore, unit of speed is meter per second and generally written as meter per second. So, unit of speed is written as meter per second, and this is called as the standard unit. So, this meter per second is called as basic or standard unit. Standard unit. So meter per second is called as the standard unit or basic unit of speed. Now if we have to know the values of hard speed or high speed, then what will be the unit of speed? In that case, B. If distance is measured in kilometer and time in hour, then speed is in kilometer divided time in hour. So unit of speed will become kilometer per hour. Underline this line. So unit of speed will become kilometer per hour. And this is for large speed. This is for large speed. For large speed, the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour. Next, but if we have to calculate the values of small speed, then what we will do is distance is measured in centimeter and time in second. So then speed is equal to distance in centimeter divided time in second. So unit of speed will become centimeter per second, generally written as centimeter per second. So generally the animals like tortoise or the snail, they walk very slowly. So the speed also become very slow. So their values will have in the centimeter per second or millimeter per second. So unit of, underline this line, unit becomes centimeter per second, which is as centimeter square. So this is this value for the smaller, to know the small speed. Now we all know the units of the speed. Therefore, we can convert the unit of speed from one system to another as required in some situations. So let us calculation. So let us see the conversion from kilometer per hour into meter per second. So if we have to convert the kilometer per hour into meter second, first what we will do, we will convert the kilometer into meter and hour into second. So let us see, example is given. Example, a man travels a distance of 90 kilometer in bike in 8 hours. Find his speed of traveling. So solution will be distance traveled by man is 90 kilometer. It is written. So distance travel is 19 kilometer and time taken is 6 hours. So what will you have to do? We have to convert this into what kilometer, as you know, is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 3600. How we get this 1 hour? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter, but 1 hour, that means 1 hour is converted into just like this. 1 hour, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Again, 60 minutes is divided into 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 will be 3600 second. So therefore 1 kilometer per hour will be 1000 divided 3600, that is 5 by 18 meter per second. So we have to learn this. You have to learn 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. And if we have to convert 1 meter second into kilometer per hour, then what we will do? We will just reverse it. So 1 meter is equal to, as you all know, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, then 1 meter will be 1 by 1000, that is 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. This will be the meter. Now second, if we have to convert the second into hour, again, as you know, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 1 second is written as how much? 1 second is written as 1 by 360 hour. 1 by 3600 hour. So here we are converting from the smaller to the larger unit. That's why we write 1 by 1000 or 1 by 3600. So therefore 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer. Remember, to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, that means from larger to the smaller, the relation will be 5 by 18 meter per second. And if we have to convert from smaller to larger, then the value will be 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So in this way we can convert. So therefore speed of traveling is distance divided time is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. 6 hours, that will be 15 kilometer per hour. 15 kilometer per hour. So answer will be 15 kilometer per hour. Now convert the speed of 540 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So speed is 540 kilometer per hour. So here we have to convert. So 540 bracket into next bracket 5 by 18. Remember, when we have to convert from larger to small, then we will write 5 by 18. And if we have to convert smaller to large, then we will write just 5 by 18 into 18 by 5. So here 540 into 5 by 18 will be how much? 150 meter per second. That means 540 into 5 by 18. 5 by 18. So again cut it. 330. That will be 150 meter per second. 150 meter per second. So in this way we will convert. Now do you know, I will provide some numericals so that you will write and you will understand. Do you know it would take a particle of light. So light has the particles with over 1 lakh years to get from one side of a galaxy to the another. Galaxy include sun, planets, atmosphere. So that is called galaxy. To another, while light moves at about 124 lakhs meter per second. That is the speed. So speed of particles of light from one galaxy to another is 1 lakh year. 1 lakh year. That is 1 into 10 to the power 5. 1 into 10 to the power 5 years to travel the light. Whereas speed of the light in a diamond is 124 into 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6. So meter per second. So less than half the speed of vacuum. So underline this line and just remember it. 1 lakh and here 124 lakhs the unit, the speed. Now as you know, in a vehicle have provided two instruments. One is odometer, which records the distance Have you seen the odometer and the speedometer that are found in your bike or even scooty and in the car also? So this, see here, this is the odometer. Odometer is in the center. So we record the distance. So where is odometer? Odometer is here. Odometer is, first of all, enlarge it. Where is odometer? Odometer is here. This is the odometer. Speedometer, which determines the speed, is where? This one. From this needle, this will go and we will get the speedometer, speed of the vehicle. So speedometer can be calculated from here, and then we can calculate with the help of needle. So odometer in the center and speedometer just around in the form of the circle. So 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever the vehicle attains the speed, that will be the calculated by speedometer. You can say that odometer records the distance moved by the vehicles, and the speedometer which measure the speed of the, so underline this line. So odometer distance moved by the vehicles, and the speedometer measure the speed of the moving vehicles. Is it clear? So this is about the odometer and speedometer. So that's all for today. So you will solve some numericals and learn the conversion and all the units.